My name is Angelika Nussberger, and I'm the Vice President of the European Court of Human Rights. At the same time, I'm also a law professor at Cologne University. The topic of my lecture is change and continuity in international human rights law, and I want to focus on the European Convention of Human Rights. How is it possible that what is okay today is no longer okay tomorrow? That is generally an intriguing question for international law, but it's even more intriguing for international human rights law. If standards are considered to be fundamental, shouldn't they also be eternal? Obviously, they are not.